our experience working with Trespa and the ability to anticipate any of their needs, our experience, and we've been through so many applications and projects that we can really understand what the customer is going to go through when installing the product.
Engineering support is an important relationship with our customers that use Trespa boards because they play an important role in the manufacturing of medical and laboratory equipment. We use our attention to detail and our manufacturing knowledge to produce parts that meet or exceed the customer specifications.
Well, fabricating Trespa, we make sure that all of our parts are blemish-free. We go the extra mile making sure that none of the parts touch each other, because if they're stacked, they could be scratched, they could be stained. So we go real careful on how we fabricate this. We fabricate one piece at a time. First piece is inspected, make sure that it's totally perfect. And then from there, we go to finishing, go to another inspection, and from there we go to packaging and crating.